The issue is nuclear warfare. Its importance is great as the effects could be disastrously negative. I know not with what weapons World War III will be fought, but World War IV will be fought with sticks and stones. With these simple words, Einstein shows the amplitude of impact that nuclear warfare has. Earth could potentially be set back to the Stone Age. The US and Russia own 90% of the world's nuclear weapons, making them the major stakeholders of nuclear war. In the US, the government takes certain steps to resolve prominent issues. The first of which is agenda setting. Nuclear weapons were first used in the American bombing of Hiroshima, Japan. Soon, the United States was not the only country in possession of chemical warfare. A military strategy known as MAD was developed, but many wanted a greater assurance of safety. Thus, we are brought to step 2, policy formulation. The 1968 Treaty on the Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons, which is more commonly known as the NPT, was formulated by the 18-Nation Committee on Disarmament. Today, nearly 200 countries have signed. The next step is policy implementation. The near 200 countries that signed the treaty have been implementing it. They have carried through fairly well as nuclear attacks have yet to occur since the treaty. Finally, we will focus our attention on policy evaluation. This treaty has been greatly effective, even though not all of its goals are accomplished yet. This policy is true reform as it has opened lines of communication between many countries in the area of nuclear warfare. Conclusion. The analysis of this policy has brought light to the fact that 90% of nuclear weapons are in the possession of only 2 countries, despite the fact that several countries are in possession of nuclear weapons. This issue heavily affects the government's safety and management concerns of nuclear substances, as well as their communication tactics with other countries due to its potential for mass destruction.